Now, once you're on your timeline, what you want to do is select where you want your keyframe to be added. So at times you might want to zoom in to be able to know exactly where you want it at. And in this instance, we're just going to add it here. We're going to just add it at this 2:25:21 mark to make some changes. So once you're on your timeline, and you have selected where you want, and you want to make sure you're selecting the video. If you do not select the video, you won't be able to add the keyframe. This is very important. It might drive you crazy. You want to select the video. Once you've selected the video, then go to Basic here. Under Basic, scroll all the way down till you see Transform. And under Transform, you have your keyframes. Whether you want to scale large, you can add that. Whether you want to change the position, you can add that. Whether you want to rotate, you can add that. So that's pretty cool. So let's just pick one here. Let's say we're selecting a keyframe here, and let's say we want to rotate. You see what happens? As I start to rotate it, the magic happens. 20. So you see that? So that's based on this keyframe. So the whole goal is that the whole video has changed based on the keyframe. So we're going to go back here, and you could do that also with your positions. You could do that also with your scale if you want to, and it'll scale it differently for you. So here, if we scaled it large, you see it keeps going up. You can scale it low. You see, it keeps going up. So that's how you can simply add that.